Liquid soap helps unclog a toilet by coating and lubricating the clog so gravity and water flow can move it through the trap and drain. When you pour a generous quantity of liquid soap into a clogged bowl, the soap molecules surround and penetrate the porous mass of toilet paper, fecal matter, or greasy residues, reducing surface friction and cohesion between particles. Because liquid soap is denser and more viscous than plain water, it forms a slippery film that adheres to the blockage and the porcelain surface, allowing trapped air pockets to escape and the mass to compress and shift. For best results, add warm water after the soap to increase fluidity, but avoid boiling water, which can damage porcelain seals and the wax ring. Let the mixture sit for at least 10 to 20 minutes so the soap has time to work through the fibers and lubricate the passage. Then try flushing gently or using a flange plunger with slow, controlled strokes to avoid creating a pressure surge. If the clog is caused by non-biodegradable objects or a deep obstruction in the sewer line, soap plus water will not remove it, and you should stop and use a plumbing snake or call a professional. Keep a bottle of unscented liquid dish soap on hand, and use this method as a first step for soft or paper-rich clogs, rather than as a permanent fix. People often try soap and then flush hard, which can push a partial blockage deeper and make the problem worse, so let the soap sit and use gentle plunging instead. A second common mistake is using hot water that is near boiling, which risks damaging the toilet seal or cracking older porcelain. Stick to warm tap water. Third, relying on soap for obstructions caused by toys, hair, or tree roots will not solve the issue, so avoid repeated DIY attempts that waste time and may worsen pipe damage. Call a plumber if simple measures fail. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance on tasks like unclogging toilets. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.